Hey guys, welcome back to Click. In this video, I'll be showing you, we're discussing with you Maya and Henry jewelry review. So, in this case, you might be wondering what is the website or, in this case, store that people are actually talking about. Maya and Henry jewelry. Now, in this case, Maya and Henry jewelry presents itself as an elegant, high-end online jewelry boutique. Now, they run aggressive advertising campaigns here, often on Facebook, Instagram, and via email as well, claiming that a lovely older couple is closing down their physical US store after 33 years in business and retiring. Now, to clear out their remaining inventory. Now, they claim to be holding an going out of business sale with discounts of 70 to 80% off on handmade heirloom quality solid gold and gemstone pieces. Now, that's all in this case, the website. So, all information that you can find in here. Now, in this case, what do they offer here? The advertisements here, so they provide beautifully photographed gold, vermel, sterling silver, emerald, and sapphire pieces, heavily marked down from luxury prices of around like 10 to $30. Now, in this case, typically it works like any kind of website or Shopify website out there. Now, typically you could just choose one of the products. So in their main website, you could just choose one of the categories or collections, and you can go and just access one of their items here. And typically, you could go and just click on Add to Cart here and proceed with the checkout. Now, also, they do provide like certain options for paying for the product, like AMX, even Google Pay, JCB, Visa, Mastercard, and a lot more. So, yeah, so payment and buying from them is quite easy. Works like any kind of website out there. And that's about it. Now, before proceeding with buying in any kind of stores, it is actually best to view their reviews in their website or from other sources, just to make sure that you are actually getting the best out of your money or the payment that you'll be giving them. But that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.